Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to back up your files or how to set up a backup storage. To set up a backup storage, of course, you need to have a storage like hard drive and SSD. And of course, it should be enough with the space of the files that you want to back up. So what we're going to do now is first I will be showing you my storage. So all you need to do is just go to File Explorer and this PC, and my files is still not yet. I need to refresh. So that's it. Here's the storage that I will be using to back up my files. So this is it, and now what you're going to do is you go to search menu and type control panel. Once you are in the control panel, just make sure you click this large icon so that it will show the files, and as you can see, the backup and restore Windows 11. So just click this and you will see here some options, but what you're going to do is click the setup backup. So just click this and it will read and show some storage that available. So as you can see here, we have lots of storage, but we're going to use the backup, which is the drive that we set up. And there are two options here, and what we're going to do is use the let me choose, since we will only be choosing some important files. And of course, my storage is not enough to back up all files in this device. But if you need to back up all the files in your PC, of course you need to click all of this from the user files and to storage files, and also click the system image files. But since this will be the files that I needed to back up, I only choose these two folders. And you can do the same if you only choose or select some files that you need to back up and click run. And now you can check, of course, the files, and you can also set up schedule to back up your files here. So just click this and you can choose either weekly, daily, or monthly. You can also try to and click this so there's no schedule, but for me I will choose weekly, and I prefer Monday since I do some tasks or a lot of tasks during Monday. And I'll set the time 12 midnight. And after you set your schedule to back up files, is just click OK. And of course, you can see here the storage, the two files that I want to back up. Now we'll click OK and save, and now it's starting to back up our files. It depends on the size of the files that you want to back up, but we will wait this so that you will see what will happen next. But if you want to back up large files, of course you must consider that it may take a little bit longer. It may take hours or half day. So you can click this view files or process. So as you can see, it transferring files to or copying files to the storage. So we will just fast forward this, and that's it, we're done. So if you try to click back up now, this will back up automatically any updates that you made on the files that you want to back up. Of course, if you do not click this, it will back up during the schedule that you set. And of course, you can reset or schedule the time or the options that you made for the backup. So that's all for today, and I hope that you learned something in this video. And if you are new in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the notification bell